Welcome to the Using the Course Builder demo. In this demo, you will learn how to use the Course Builder tool to build a course with rich learning experiences that effectively support learners to meet their goals. At the end of this demo, you will be able to finish the course blueprint created in the Instructional Design Wizard or redesign your already created course. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Edit Course link. Then, click the Course Builder link. This tool has 6 main areas: the tabs across the top, the Build Outline section, Add Content section, Browse Tools section, Work Area section, and the Description area. In the tabs across the top, you have the Content tab to return to the Content tool. You have the Manage Files tab to go into the File Explorer for your course, and you have the Course Builder tab, which is the tool we're in now. In the Build Outline section, you have different optional placeholder icons that can be dragged and dropped into the Work Area section to design the look and workflow for your course. These placeholders are reminders to you that you eventually want to place something, such as a Dropbox or a link here, but that you are not ready to commit to the details of that Dropbox or link yet. Once you have dropped a placeholder into the work area, you will notice that it is the item with the gray dashed line around it. In the Add Content section, you have different icons that can be dragged and dropped into the Work Area section to create new items in your course. If you are using placeholders, you can only drag and drop an item into a placeholder that matches that placeholder. Example, the discussion item can only be dropped onto a discussion placeholder. When you drag and drop the item over the placeholder, it will highlight the placeholder orange. If you want to create a discussion item after a placeholder, note that it will show a line where the discussion would be placed. You don't have to use placeholders. If you drag and drop any item into a place without a placeholder, the system will give you the Create screen to create that item. In the Browse Tools section, you can click on the different tools to see what already has been created in your course. Then, drag and drop these items into the places you want them. For example, by clicking on Discussions, shows the list of discussions that have already been built in your course. If you see one you want, click on it and drag it into place. In the Work Area section, you see a list of the items already in your content area of the course, or the blueprint of the placeholders you created in the Instructional Design Wizard. Anything that is saved as a draft cannot be seen by students. All of the placeholders, the boxes with gray dashed lines around them, will not be displayed in the Content tool until you have placed a real item into it. Use the plus and minus icons to expand and collapse the items. You can drag and drop the items in the work area to arrange them or to move an item from one module to another. When you click on an item, the border around that item will change to orange. The information that you see in the description area is for the item that you have selected. This area allows you to change, add, move, or edit the item you have selected. You have now successfully used the Course Builder tool.